Welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be taking a look at a Jjjjound collaboration done with New Balance on the 990v3 in the black-brown colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification box. We do have a ton of heat coming up that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for all of our amazing membership perks, as well as our merch drawer. As mentioned earlier, today we're going to be talking about a collaboration done with Jjjjound and New Balance on the 990v3. This is not the first 990v3 Jjjjound collab I've done, so definitely go back, check the other video out. I did it on the olive colorway. I've also done some other New Balance Jjjjound collabs, so this is not the first time Jjjjound has actually made a collaboration with New Balance. It is actually some of my favorite collabs done on any of the New Balance silhouettes, so I'm excited to jump into the one on the black-brown colorway. So we'll talk about the overview, then talk about size and fit, followed by how I style this really cool color scheme. Then we'll conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So let's jump right into it. We've got some nice meshing on the front here and just this really nice light brown color scheme. It does kind of give a little bit of an olive effect as well, depending on where it hits the light. So it's not such a deep, dark brown color scheme. Nice plush suede on the front of that toe box there. We do have some nice black suede as well, which I think is a great color combination with the brown that they've selected. As we work our way up, we do have just simplistic black laces, and again, this kind of light toned brown meshing for the tongue. On the top here, we do have this really nice metallic material on the top in black, which I think really just hits the light quite nicely and gives a little bit of a sheen. And then we've got New Balance USA on the front of the toe box there. Let's take a look at those details and then we'll move along to the side panels. All right, so working our way to the side panels, we have more of this light brown suede and underlays of that light brown meshing underneath. The New Balance is in a nice dark black color scheme, which pops quite nicely off of that light brown. As we work our way back, we do have the New Balance branding here, and Jjjjound is very subtle. One thing I do like about Jjjjound is they're not super loud when it comes to branding itself. Typically when they've done collabs with New Balance, it's actually kind of difficult to find their branding on the sneaker, which is really cool, just because I love how neutral it keeps the shoe. So you do see the Jjjjound, which is lightly printed on the back. We've got the New Balance symbol as well here. 990 is printed on the side of the heel in black on top of that nice plush brown suede. Then we've got the New Balance N as well on the other side of the sneaker, again with the underlays of that light brown suede and some of that light brown on the meshing. The sneaker is then completed with just a simplistic black midsole and a black outsole. All right, let's take a look at all those last and final details. As far as the other collaboration that was done on the 990v3, I did also get this in the olive tone colorway. So I do love these both in different ways, and I do love how different these are. So you can see that the midsole is much lighter on this version, where this is just kind of taking a deeper kind of darker sense of color scheme, versus this one's a little bit lighter with the nice off-white color scheme and white midsole. So I do like the variation in both of these. Definitely one of my favorite New Balance silhouettes. These are extremely comfortable. So as far as size and fit goes, I would say stick true to size on this one. I'm a 7.5 in men's, which is equivalent to a woman's size 9. If you do have high arch narrow feet like myself, this would make sense for you. But if you do have flatter, wider feet, this could actually differentiate a size that may work different for you. All right, now let's jump into styling. Again, just a great, cool color scheme. I feel like this is really just going to be a great color for me when the fall and winter comes around. So definitely we are getting into the spring and summertime. So this is something I wanted to incorporate with some warmer clothes. So for the first look, I really wanted to match this kind of brown color scheme. So I decided to go really matchy with this, and I went with a cutout blazer with some matching shorts and this kind of light brownish, kind of olivey tone color scheme. And I think that that just kind of works great for kind of an all year round look.
Let's take a long close look when no one else can see. In a dream I was made of gold, and I knew just what to say. Let me take you far away, from here. There's nothing other than the stars above us.
And then for the second look, decided to switch it up a little bit with the color scheme, and I went with a linen blazer in a cream colorway with a beige tank top, and I tucked that into just some simple light denim shorts. Again, I think that light beiges tans will go great with this, since this is kind of a very just simplistic neutral color scheme. And then for the last and final look, I switched it up a little bit, brought some color into this green, black, and cream for this abstract print on a button-down top with matching pants. So you let me know down below, what was your favorite look out of the three, or how would you style these? these are currently doing on the resale market. So these retailed at $250 and they are currently going between $250 to $400 depending on what size you are. All right, that's it for this unboxing and review. If you're new here today, thank you so much for joining us. Hit that subscribe if you haven't had the chance yet. Also, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below, and also hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. And be sure to check out that join button for all of our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We will catch you on the next episode.